Hello, Ate Cho. Happy 50th birthday. I wish and I pray the best sa inyo. Ang panalangin ko nawa ay ingatan ka ng Diyos at gabayan sa lahat mong mga plano, mga desisyon sa buhay. And our verse is in Jeremiah 29:11. Para sa iyo to, Ate Cho. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Ako po ay nagagalak at natutuwa dahil isa po kayo na naging inspirasyon kung bakit ako nagpapatuloy sa gawain. At salamat sa Panginoong Diyos dahil ikaw ay nagpapatuloy din na maging modelo sa amin, especially sa community, in reaching the people na wala pang Panginoon. Salamat sa mga teachings, advices, and prayers. God bless you always, Ate Cho. Keep safe.
Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Cho. Thank you so much for your life. Thank you for your love and care to our family, and also for walking alongside with us, especially during those times that we have struggles in our journey.
We praise God sa buhay mo at ang aming panalangin ay patuloy na ipagkaloob ng Diyos ang heart's desire mo at pagtagumpayin ka sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa.
Happy 50th birthday po, Tita Cho.
Happy golden birthday, Cho. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Cho. Praise God for your life and your partnership in Basilan Ministry. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path. Again, blessed, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear special one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Cho. Salamat kaayo sa imong kamaayo. Salamat kaayo sa imong pagdasig nga nagpabilin sa imong kasing-kasing unahuna. Salamat sa mga panahon nga ikaw nag-uban kanamo sa dito sa bukid. Salamat kay ikaw nagsakripisyo pagbaktas sa mga kabukiran, mga kasapaan aron lang tabangan ang mga kabataan namo. Pabilin ka na, ma'am, nga inspirasyon sa among kinabuhi samtang kami buhi pa. Salamat ang tibok tribo nagpasalamat karon na nagahandom sa imong kamaayo. Happy birthday, ma'am. God bless.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Golden Girl! 50 ka na, Cho. Parang kailan lang, di ba? When we started, well, just projects that tayo nagkakilala. But, I mean, the friendship has grown deep, more than a decade, di ba? So, I just wish you all the happiness kasi alam ko, you deserve it. I'm glad that the Lord has given you a lot of surprises. And syempre, yung mga wishes came through, except dun sa isa. But I'm trusting the Lord that He will give you the desires of your heart. in His perfect timing. So, I hope you have the best birthday. And, ayun, I mean, it's a milestone to be 50, diba? So, just enjoy life. Love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Cho. I miss you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you.
Hi Ate Cho, happy birthday. Thank you so much for your life. Truly that you have become a blessing to so many people just like me. And you're a woman of faith, you're a woman of prayer, and you have a great leadership. And you have that ability as well to influence other people. So maraming salamat po, and truly I am thankful that I've got to know you. And maraming salamat din sa tiwala. And even at times that you're sending your prayer requests, that would be a privilege and an honor for me to pray for you. Maraming salamat. My prayer for you that you will grow more in your intimacy with the Lord, and the Lord will guide you always para po ma-fulfill ninyo ang calling ninyo kay God even more. God bless, Ate Cho, and see you soon. Bye-bye!
We gonna jump.
We wish the best of what the best can be, all the best. We wish for you that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Ate Jo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Cho. May this milestone bring you more joy, wisdom, and more memories. You have touched so many lives, and I am one of those people. And the best chapters are yet to come. So wishing you good health, more wisdom, and more partnerships and networkings with you. God bless you, and have a nice day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear special one. Happy birthday to
Hi Ma'am Cho, happy 50th birthday. Sabi nga nila, age is just a number. Ang 50 taon ay patunay ng marami mong karanasan. May pain, struggles, challenges, pero I believe na mas maraming joy, victories, and blessings from our loving Father. Ang 50 taon ay hindi lamang bilang ng edad, kundi patunay ng biyaya at katapatan ng Diyos sa iyong buhay. I praise God sa buhay mo na naging isang malaking blessing sa amin. You always give us encouragement and support in our journey in serving the Lord here in Maguindanao. Maraming salamat sa love and care na pinakita mo sa amin. My prayer in Psalms 20 verse 4, may He give you the desires of your heart and make all your plans succeed. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng mabuting kalusugan, kapayapaan sa puso, at mas marami pang taon ng kagalakan kasama ang iyong pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay.
Welcome to the Golden Age, Cho. Dako gyud kaayo ang ako ang pagpasalamat sa Ginoo sa imong kinabuhi. Ma-remember pa gyud nako ang adlaw when I first met you. Paabigin na ako, madam kaayo ka, pagkaduong na ako sa imuhang pangalan. Pero nagkamali ko kay down to earth di ay ka. Kabalo ka, go down sa level sa mga tao on the ground. Humble, buotan, generous, may sense of humor, encourager, bright, ug syempre, guwapa. Cho, daghan kaayong salamat for walking alongside with us, especially during those times na may mga struggles ni sa mo ang journey. Isa ka sa ginagamit sa Ginoo para magpadayon ni sa pag-obey sa calling niya dinhi kanamo. Dalay ko ng Ginoo sa imuhang kinabuhi.
Happy 50th birthday,
Cho.
We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our wonderful teacher George. Thank you for your guiding and support and also your prayer. I wish you a good health and happiness and more blessing from the Lord. And I want to say also that I miss you so much, and may God bless you and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tita Jo! God bless you!